We are very proud to share this idea that we had been making for 6 months ago. This project started spontaneously. We have been refining various elements that it considers essential in carrying out this work called spicy sweet sauces. Something very characteristic of Yucatan is the habanero pepper and its sauces. We already know that in the foreign market it has demand and acceptance by foreign consumers. Now we have created this idea combining the spicy flavor with something sweet and nothing better than with fruits very regional as well as common fruits. Then, what kind of combinations will be? There is a list with 10 kind of fruits. All of them blend with habanero sauce. Mango, strawberry, pineapple, dragon fruit, watermelon, gooseberry, caimito, nance, soursop, and guaya.
Sweet Spicy Sauces started as a project of three friends who share the love for sauces and jellies. We have shared family recipes and creating new flavors. It has been a challenge and a fun experience. That's the reason why we want to share our flavor with everyone who enjoys that special touch at every meal.
Most hot sauces companies use canned ingredients and safe recipes. In sweet spicy sauces, we are committed to boldly crafting the most flavorful hot sauces and jellies, even if that means starting our own crafts to make sure every ingredient is succulent and fresh. In sweet spicy sauces, we buy only Yucatan products. We buy fresh products, and this is our way to contribute to fair trade in Yucatan by giving preference to the local producers. This is one of the reasons why we chose Canada to export to this country. This country is characterized by appreciating fair trade, organic and artisanal products and process. We are three friends, Emily, Jenny, and I, Stephanie, who started this project a few months ago, but we have big dreams. Sweet Spicy Sauces is just starting, but our ambition is to become a global brand and share our flavors. We want to share recipes made with love and tradition. Making quality products and sharing tradition are the main objectives of sweet spicy sauces.
Our destination will be Canada. We have many reasons that we want to export to Canada our products. One of those is we have previously worked with subject projects in the past semesters, where we explored the market informatively and we are familiar with it. One fact it is the lack of time that the population has for cooking. We will present accompaniments already seasoned for making the food more attractive, plus good flavor. They always want to have quick and healthy solutions. That way we will expect good uptake from Canadian consumers. To add one fundamental point, in Canada it's valuable to provide added value compared to fresh products. It is because of that we will make a correct decision choosing that country, in addition to having a multicultural population. The market and industry analysis is focused on adults, people who enjoy eating spicy but not so strong, which is why we give it that sweet touch to delight potential consumers. The proximity to the country is minimal. We had thought of exporting to the United States, but it became easier for us to draw on to the Canadian country, being one with a smaller number of competitors and more facilities for us when exporting. For us, one of the most essential pillars will be the relationship that we will have with local farmers, who will provide us fresh products, including the chilies and fruits. Upon receiving the items, we must inspect and choose the best quality. We will proceed to the washing process, next peeling and cutting, then the stage of blending, simmering, stirring. This consists in to draw out pectin fruits. The addition of sugar and chilies, standardized. This point has specific quantities of water, bricks, pH, CMC, and preservatives. The next step is homogenizing. Pasteurized. This is put the temperature at 100 degrees centigrade for 3 minutes. We have finished the main products. We go into filling and packaging into a container. Let cooling for storage in a dry place, and last one, to distribution, which will be supermarkets and organic stores.
Our zoos are priced at approximately 10 to 12 Canadian dollars. They come in a glass container, each with 420 grams of product. The profit is based on sales for the month of March. It based on Mexican pesos. The total sales were 103,545 pesos. In the cost of goods sold part, we have raw materials and materials for the preparation of packaging. We include the ingredients and supplies of the sauce, the glass container, the level that the glass container will carry, and the packaging for its care at the time of transfer. Total of that is 30,871 pesos. In marketing, mini commercials for social networks were made. Flyers were also made for supermarkets and stores. The total expense was 6,872 pesos. The rent of the space where we work, electricity and telephone service, office supplies and maintenance give us a total of 17,224 pesos. A total of 5,568 pesos were invested to send the merchandise to the points of sales. 25,874 pesos was destined to our salary. Currently, we are only 3 people in the company. This gives us a total of 86,410 pesos in expenses and a profit of 17,135 pesos.
The demand for organic food has been growing for some years, both in Europe and in North America, where countries such as Germany, Switzerland, the United States, and Canada increasingly buy organic food, free of pesticides, dyes, and other chemicals in order to take care of their health. Only in Canada, 58% of families buy organic food at least once a week, making it an attractive market for companies that produce this type of product. The main reason that the Canadians buy organic food is health, which explains the importance of these products having the necessary certification that proves that the entire production process is chemical free. Due to their concern for the country's social health, the Canadian consumer is looking for healthy and nutritious foods that are not fattening and that they can easily and quickly assimilate in their daily diet. Currently, the market is identifying these needs with the so-called organic products that they are experiencing great development. On the other hand, another important factor that the Canadian considers is the story behind the product. The consumer of this country seeks to know how the product was made, where the crops come from, and the tradition of the product. There is a growing interest in organic and gluten-free products, which have become fashionable as they are considered more beneficial for health and are beginning to grow in importance within the agri-food sector. The consumption of natural products is increasing due to the importance they are given for containing vitamins, and other antioxidant properties.
At Sweet Spicy Sauce, we want our products to be star products for each person, with excellent quality and minimalist packaging. The Canadian customer is looking for products with an excellent external presentation with easy and comfortable packaging. Lack of time to cook and the need for quick and healthy solutions makes it important to offer convenience and comfort to Canadian customers. Sauce, vegetable mixes, ready-to-drink fruit, side dishes, and accompaniments already seasoned and ready to serve are the kind of products that are attractive to the average customers and that provide add value compared to fresh products. The food trade sector tends to be concentrated and is dominated by a few large groups, especially the national names like Metro, Sobeys, and Lobos, along with American Walmart. Supermarkets have a large assortment tailored to the needs of the community they serve. In general, the freelancers do not have their own brands, although they are associated in purchasing centers. Lobo, Sobeys, Metro, and Canada Safeway are the main operating chains in Canada. The big distribution groups also supply of great consumption of food like Walmart. Cash and carry generally have large formats and mainly supplies the Eureka channel. They normally market low and may range products like Costco. Other discount stores like Dollarama, convenience stores like Alimentation Coach Chart, drugstores like Shopper Drug Mart, gas station, specialty or gourmet stores, and traditional stores. That is why we want our products to be displayed in markets, cash and carry stores, drugstores, gourmet stores, and wholesale stores. That is our target market. We want our customers to have the ease of buying a healthy, fresh, and ready to serve product at many times. To the absence of strong culinary traditions of their own and the limitation of domestic productions, an increasing number of Canadian customers are seeking import products. They seek to have a historic and cultural context that define them and allows them to culturally approach other nationalities or groups. Regarding the test, we can affirm that the Canadian customers is open to exotic and ethnic flavors. In general, it responds well to mixtures of various flavors and to the fusion of coins from different cultures, so a great variety of flavors.
For products to be sold in foreign countries, it is necessary to comply with certain regulations and permits. In the case of Canada, it is necessary bill of lading or air transport letter. Both documents are proof and evidence of the existence of a transport contract. Commercial invoice. It serves as a proof of sale, being required for export in the country of origin and for import in the country of destination. Certificate of origin. Canadian Customs requires a certificate of origin to establish manufacturing origin and to calculate applicable customs duties. International Import Certificate. Guarantee document acknowledging that the Canadian government has no problem with the marketing of the product in this country. Health Inspection Certificate. In this document, issued by the corresponding healthing authority. A natural or legal person is authorized to manufacture, package, and import food destined for human consumption. These are some of the most important documents for exporting food products to Canada.
Self-production is an innovative category that is quickly developing worldwide and already was a wide and a growing variety of value-added sales products. This places greater demands on their production and product innovation. We create the optimal sales production solutions with comparative and guaranteed performance to meet the needs of our customers and enable them that meet the growing demands of customers. Based on our specialist fruit production and technology experts, our solution allows you to make a wide variety of different flavor sauces. What makes possible its flexibility in packaging and its distribution options, from the simple sauce that is drawn spicy to the most complex such as Guaya Extra Hot.